So hey guys, welcome to my channel techvlogs GK. Make sure that you can subscribe techvlogs GK tech on your fingertips. So guys, today I am going to talk about the rooting process. So guys, before my phone rooting like this. After rooting my phone look like this. Basically after rooting my phone it's going to be little bit change but not major. So if you want to root your phone or your basic purpose on your basic privacy, so let's start the rooting process. So guys, make sure that you can download King Root app. After that you can start your rooting process. If you not have a King Root app, you can download King Root app through the link given in the description box. Then after you can check whether your phone is rooted or not by clicking on the three lines left side of your phone screen. So guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe techvlogs GK Tech on your fingertips and don't forget to click bell icon.